So all of this is a traditional porridge, and wow, he's tasting.
It is very sweet. Very nice. Very interesting. This one, no one can comment about this one. Welcome and enjoy this food, this porridge. In our community, is the greatest one. If you marry somewhere, you must be given this one to honor your pride.
Yeah, guys, that's really true. Oh, look at these guys. So this is meat. I think this is chicken, right? Wow, guys, you see? This is how it is right here. Unasemaje?
Nawakaribisha, karibuni sana. Tuko tunaandaa hapa mnanyo hapa watu wakule ili wafurahie.
Okay, she's just saying welcome home. She's preparing food there, and actually I don't know what's happening in my home. What are we expecting?
Today we're expecting to get 5 visitors from Tanzania.
Oh, wow.
David Jr. is so sexy.
So all of this is a traditional porridge, and wow.
Say hi.
I'm so excited, like I just came home and found this. It was unexpected, but it is what it is, you know. So this is a traditional porridge, so she's tearing it. Yeah. So these are chapatis right here, a huge celebration in my home here in the village. So these are ready made chapatis, you know. Wow. Hey.
Hi.
Guys, do you remember him? He's my uncle.
I'm the Mosh. Welcome.
Yeah, welcome home.
To Davy's channel.
Mm-hmm.
Remember also to subscribe to the Mosh channel.
Oh, you
Thank
have
you,
your
guys.
channel? Oh, I didn't know that, guys. So check my uncle out. So this is charcoal. Actually, I'm shooting this video, just a raw video, just to show you how things look like here in my home. And right there, hey, unaweza sema hello.
Hello. Hi jamani, karibuni hapa. Tuko tunatengeneza vitu hapa.
Yeah, karibuni is like welcome home, guys, you know. And these are traditional jiko right here. Traditional jiko. So this kind of food, guys, it is very, very special in our village. Actually, I do remember when I grew up, we used to eat these during
Christmas
holidays. Christmas holidays. But, you know, by the grace of God, everything changed. These days is like normal to us. So, yeah, this is how it is. So she's rolling, and you have to be very careful while you are preparing them so that they cannot get roasted and turn black. Wow. And right here he's rolling them.
Then you put it like this way, and you remove this one.
Do you enjoy doing this
I'm
kind of
enjoying
work?
it very much doing this job, guys. Subscribe a lot.
Yeah, guys, subscribe. We're on the road to 25,000 subscribers, and also it is my birthday month, so make it happen, you know. We're almost there, like let's say 600 plus. We wanna hit 25,000 subscribers, so let us make it happen. So this is how we do it, guys. A random video, unedited and cut. Unasemaje?
Nawakaribisha, karibuni sana. Tuko tunaandaa hapa mnanyo hapa watu wakule ili wafurahie.
Okay, she's just saying welcome home. She's preparing food there, and actually I don't know what's happening in my home. What are we expecting?
Today we're expecting to get 5 visitors from Tanzania.
Oh, wow.
That's our grandfather coming to visit us today.
Yeah, guys, you know, Tanzania is our neighboring country. Sorry, our neighboring country, and actually, my relatives come from Tanzania, so we expect them to come and pay us a visit here. So I want to show you a special thing right here. So this is where we keep our utensils after we have washed them, guys. You see? Yeah, this is the village life here in Kenya, Africa. Normal one. Let me get in the comment section below. Does your country, do you have these kind of shade? I don't know to call it shade, but this is how it is. And also, this is the environment. Maybe another video I want to show you around how my home looks like. Yeah?
Show them the way we cook meat.
Oh, look at these guys. So this is meat. I think this is chicken, right? Wow, guys, you see? This is how it is right here.
Wow.
You know, I'm super excited because, you know, life has changed a lot. We used to eat these during holidays, especially Christmas, but these days it is normal, guys. So yeah, that's how life can change within a span of a second or a minute. Yeah. Wow. So these are our sufurias, big ones, you know, like these kind of, we call them in our native language here, sufuria nyabaisik. So yeah, these how cooking pots or the sufurias in Swahili look like. Yeah, guys. So also these are our kitchen. This is where we prepare food from. Yeah, a traditional jiko. This is how it looks, and this is muiko, or the cooking stick that I'm holding here, guys. So yeah, I'm just showing you around. Actually, it was unplanned video. I just decided just to shoot it random, just to show you this is the typical life in an African village, guys. This porridge.
Wow.
He's tasting.
It is very sweet. Very nice. Very interesting. This one, no one can comment about this one. Welcome and enjoy this food, this porridge. In our community, is the greatest one. If you marry somewhere, you must be given this one to honor your pride.
Yeah, guys, that's really true. When you're getting married, you have to prepare porridge like that. So yeah, that's it. I want to say thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate. I'm coming live from my home. This is how everything looks like here, guys. So yeah, thank you for always supporting me. And if it is your very first time on this YouTube channel, consider subscribing. We're on the road to 25k subscribers. Make it happen for your village boy, guys. I'm super excited to be back home. Though just home for, let's say, some few hours, then I'll be back to school, you know. Yeah, thank you so much. We have visitors around, so yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Greetings from here in my village. Bye bye. See you in Nairobi, Kenya in a few hours from now. Bye bye. Take care.
David Jr. is so sexy.